Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Beyblade X Dranzer S Spiral 380 taper, the original blue. So yes, this is the original one, not like the US and European releases, but yeah, the original color for this guy. So yeah, let's go, shall we? Tiny knife. Forgot I had this one, so I'm using this one as my unboxing knife. Actually, no. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. Let's get this. Okay. Don't tell me I have to put stickers on. Yes, I do. Let's show you guys this. Comes with a launcher, a shady launcher. I prefer string launchers over anything else. Yeah, so there will be a jump cut for me, so I can put everything together, or put the stickers on. Yeah, there we go. Shit. Since I'll be doing this exact same for this, put the stickers on and record those videos too. Here's the Dranzer, the 380, and the blue taper. Mine is kind of loose, but yeah, taper. Here's the code. And yeah, let me put this together. So yeah. Let me put the stickers on and be right back with you guys. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, there's Dranzer S. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.